स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम हार्ट ह्या NGOन पर्राच्या 35 विद्यार्थ्यांक शिक्षणा खातीर आर्थीक मदत म्हूण दर एका विद्यार्थ्याक 3500 रुपयांचो चॅक भेटयला. ह्या पैशांचो शिक्षणाकूच वापर करचो म्हूण ह्या वेळार डिलेला लोबोन सांगला. ह्या वेळार पर्राचे सरपंच डिलेला लोबो, मंत्री लोबो आनी हेर मानेस हजर आशिल्ले. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्राच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
So this year it is 35 students. I once again thank on behalf of all the students present here. I thank you all for the consideration what you all have shown towards the Parra students. Keep this amount aside. This is only for your studies. Whatever you all want towards your education. आणि कित्याकूय मोडपाचें न्हू ते कायद्यान नाजाल्यार बॅगां बुकां युनिफॉर्म तसले वस्तू दितात. बट नाव इट्स द मातशें हे एकाडेमीक इयर चालू जालें ताका लागून तेणी कॅश दिल्या 3500 फॉर ईच स्टुडंट. सो तुमकां शिक्षणा खातीर हे पयशे वापरपाचे.
Straight from Heart was started around 5 years back with the vision that Goan students, they get the books and everything from the government. But then there are other things like uniform, sandals, shoes, stationery, notebooks. So there are few students who can't afford these things also. So we thought, why not provide them an opportunity to go to school, learn, and infrastructure we provide. So books government is giving, rest of the things we give so that they can study. In last 5 years we have given the scholarship to around 400 students across Goa in different schools. Parra is the village we love the most. Every year we come here. This is the 4th year. Every year we have given to 25 students last 3 years. 25 students each year. So this year we are giving to 35 students. I think 5 from each ward.
Straight from Heart NGO organization started by corporate people who are come to Goa to start a business or who have already started a business. They are in hospitality industry. They have a responsibility towards this state also, apart from their business. धंदो करता ते हिंगा गोंयान, पूण तेणी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दवरल्या की ते आपूण थोडे तरी आमचे इन्कम जे आपले बिझनसान येता ते आमी स्टुडंट्सांक इन वे ऑफ स्कॉलरशिप दितले म्हणून हू विल मेक रायट यूज ऑफ दॅट मनी. थोडे भुरग्यांक कसले तरी बूक घेवपाक जाय, थोडे भुरग्यांक कितें फी फारीक करपाक जाय, थोडे भुरग्यांक आनी कसले तरी वस्त घेवपाक जाय which is related to education. So all these things they are ready to support a boy or a girl, and they have chosen our village Parra. Nagwar Parra they support करता, but Parra in a bigger way to give scholarships to students who are studying from 1st to 10th.